Good morning. Such a good day. I hope you're all feeling the pull towards growth. I am. The sun is shining in my face and it is glorious. Now, to business. I'm not going to do that thing where you waffle on for a bit, for a certain amount of time, so let's get straight in. That's my belief. So, I'm starting out on this, posting my thoughts, conversations, communicating with the community journey. So, all my technical stuff, all getting charts on the screen for you, will come. For now, however, I'm going to give you my thoughts as and when I'm thinking them, offer them to you, and right now I'm in my dressing gown, having a cup of tea in the sun, with my writing book. Now, silver prices, verge of a breakout. Well, some of you will say, well, that's obvious. So, I was looking at the charts, 30 days, 6 months, 5 years, 10 years, and something I've learned from our dear friend Mike Maloney, to look at the patterns. Now, 30 days, there's a reverse head and shoulders. I noticed, I thought we was looking for some sort of panhandle, or a inverse, reverse, flipped, flopped, panhandle, cup and saucer. And I was like, no, it's not there. And I thought, oh, but it's a reverse head and shoulders. I'm sure I remember Mike talking about reverse head and shoulders. And I thought, let me have a little look. There's a high, there's a low, and it kind of stabilizes. Then there's a bigger low, that comes up again to meet the shoulder again, and it comes along, and then it shoots up again, which is where it's at now. Now, the 30-day head and shoulders is practically the same as the 5-year head and shoulders. It's just a bigger time frame. And I'm thinking, okay, what does a reverse head and shoulders mean? So I have a little look on Google. It all says the same thing. Poised. It's bullish. Let's not say it's poised for this, it's poised for that. A big breakout, maybe. However, I'm just seeing the pattern and reporting it. Am I buying any more? Well, not this side of pay packet, that's for sure. Am I getting excited? Oh yeah. Am I buying into any hype? I'm not seeing any hype. Where's the hype? Hype's gone. I think that went in 2011, didn't it? Anyway, I'm going to sign off. Hope you're all doing well. If you haven't got a lot of silver, $30, still cheap. Just something I learned years ago. I can't remember who told me. It might have been our dear friend Mike. It might have been someone else. It probably was Mike. In fact, I'm 99% sure it was our dear friend Mike on one of his Hidden Rules of Money episodes, which I strongly recommend. Newbie, novice, expert, learn or refresh. The average wage back then for a person, and he used representative of a Roman soldier. You know, a soldier. They're not going to be earning mega bucks like our soldiers aren't. I know that. 1/10 of an ounce a day was their wage. 1/10 of an ounce. Okay, so that's 3 ounces a month. Okay, what's the average wage? Maybe $2,000 a month. What does that work out at an ounce? Oh, that's about £300, 369. No, 600, isn't it? My maths was never my strong point, especially when I'm being recorded. You're looking at about £600 an ounce. So it's got to be $700 an ounce. That's what it should be. That's what they valued it at 2,000 years ago. And now we value it at £30 an ounce. £30. £30. That's the equivalent of, okay, so let's say 30 loaves of bread a day. Back then, 1 ounce would have got them the equivalent of, 600 loaves an ounce. So if you measure it in bread, you can see the difference. That's just for 1 ounce. That's how much bread has gone up. Rather than silver. Silver just hasn't gone anywhere. Everything else has just gone poof. So I'm sure, well, no, maybe I was going to say maybe it was easier to mine stuff back then. Because there was more of it, or more available on the surface. But mining techniques have got better, so who knows. But they were using it for coins, cutlery. Coins, imagine our money nowadays being made of silver. Everyone having some. Well, they say there's not enough ounces on the planet for every one person to have an ounce. That's scarce, isn't it? Come on, that's scarcity. Anyway, love you all. Ciao.